Today we will do percentage of a number. So how to find a percent of a number we will learn today. So 8% of 200. So 8% means 8 by 100 of multiply and 200 will remain as it is. Now we will cancel 2 zeros from 100 and 2 zeros from 200. So what is left? 8 times 2 is equal to 16. 8% of 200 is equal to 16. Now let's do another example. 25% of 400. Number 2. 25% of 400. 25%. What is 25%? 25% means 25 by 100. Of we know multiply and 400 will remain as it is. Now we will cancel 2 zeros from 100 and 2 zeros from 400. Now 25 times 4. 25 times 4 is how much? 100. So 25% of 400 is 100. Let me show you another example. Number 3. 20% of 70. So we know 20% of 70. 20% is equal to 20 by 100. Of will remain as it is and 70. We will write the remaining part of the question. Okay. So we cancel out 1 0. Now see 1 0 from here and another 0 from 70. The remaining 0 from 100 I cancelled over here and the other one from 70. So what is left? 2 times 7 is equal to 14. 2 times 7, 14. So 20% of 70 is equal to 14. Example number 4, 3% of 270. 3% is equal to 3 by 100 of multiply 270 will remain as it is. We will cancel out 0 from down and from up 1. 3 by 10 times 27. 3 times 27 is equal to how much? 81 by 10. So let's convert it into decimal. We can convert this into mixed fraction or to decimal. So it's better we will convert it to decimal. So 81 by 10 is equal to 8.1. So 3% of 270 is equal to 8.1.